Hello everyone. Today we are going to see story part 2, A Heroine of the Sea. In part 1st we have seen the background story of Grace and what happened in that particular night of September. Now let's see the second part. She did not know that a terrible thing was happening that night. The night a ship was wrecked upon the rocks. Grace and her parents did not hear the sound of the crash. The noise of the wind and the waves was too loud. They could not hear anything else. But a ship called Forsphere has hit the rocks a miles away from the lighthouse. Most of the passengers were drowned, but 9 men and women were able to climb on the rock. The wind nearly blew them into the sea. This all we have seen in part 1. पार्ट 1 मध्ये आपण पाहिलं की कशा प्रकारे ग्रेस आणि तिचे पॅरेंट्स झोपी गेलेले होते आणि त्यावेळेस एक शिप जहाजाला त्याची खडकाला टक्कर झाली आणि त्यामध्ये बरेचसे जे लोक होते ते वाहून गेले. त्यापैकी काहींनी खडकाचा आसरा घेतला आणि ते वाचले. As they clung to the bare rock, in the distance they saw the warm light of lighthouse. But of course their shouts and screams were not heard. All night they clung there in the storm. संकटात सापडलेले जे स्त्री आणि पुरुष होते त्यांनी सगळ्यांनी खूप आरडाओरडा केला, पण हवेचा आणि लाटांच्या आवाजात त्यांचा आवाज कुणालाही ऐकू गेला नाही. Next morning at 6 o'clock, Grace was dressing. She looked out of her window and saw the storm was still blowing. Suddenly she stopped. Wasn't there something on the distant rocks? Calling her father, she looked again. Yes, there were certainly people clinging on the rocks, but they were half under the sea. पुढच्या सकाळी जेव्हा ग्रेस तयार झाली नियर अबाउट 6 वाजता, तेव्हा तिने दूरवर पाहिलं अचानक की खडकाकडे काहीतरी हालचाल दिसतीये. तिथे एक शिप तुटलेलं दिसलं तिला आणि काही लोक खडकाला लटकले. तिने लगेच तिच्या वडिलांना बोलवलं आणि सांगितलं. We must rescue them before they are drowned, cried Grace. We must do something. Will you ever sleep again, father, if they die? ती तिच्या वडिलांना म्हणाली की आपण त्यांना वाचवू. त्यांना जर वाचवलं नाही तर आपल्याला चैन पडणार नाही. William Darling was a brave old man, but he shook his head. It is hopeless, he said. We can do nothing. How can I row a boat myself through these waves? If only I had another man here to help me. तिचे वडील म्हणाले की इच्छा तर माझी पण आहे, पण एवढ्या लाटांमधून मी एकटा कसा बोट चालवणार, माझ्यासोबत कोणीतरी पाहिजे. तर असं ऐकल्यानंतर ग्रेस काय म्हणाली. I can help you, father, cried Grace. I can row a boat as well as any man, can't I? I'm small, but I'm strong. You and I have often rowed together. We can reach these unfortunate people. ती तिच्या वडिलांना समजावत होती की ग्रेस तिच्या वडिलांना समजावत होती की मी तुम्हाला मदत करेल आणि आपण दोघे मिळून त्यांना वाचवू. तर स्टोरीचा पुढचा पार्ट आपण